Good morning, good morning, good morning from Barcelona. I'm doing a series of questions that you guys have asked me, and one of the simple questions is, how do I find deals? And how do I find deals when I work with estate agents? What do I need to do? Because the biggest frustration people talk to me about is, Susannah, I can't find deals. There are no deals in my area. I can't, my area is too, insert whatever, expensive, hot, there aren't any deals being sold. Guys, I was deal sourcing in Bristol, which is one of the hottest property areas in the country. It's always been good, strong capital growth. It's always been quite an affluent area. There's a lot of good economic work behind it. So it was always tough to source in Bristol. Guys, you just do the numbers. And when you're working with estate agents, can we go back to basics? Let's keep life super simple for you, because by keeping it super simple for you, you will end up finding discounted deals as a process. It's like you stamp them out, it's cookie cutter stuff. So the question is, how do I find deals from estate agents? How many calls do I need to make? Well, we did over 200 deals, 217 deals, and I measure everything and I know the maths. You ready? It is to find between 1 and 2 deals from estate agents, you need to make roughly 100 phone calls, 25 viewings, 21 offers, and that gives you between 1 and 2 deals. So the first question I ask people when they say, Susannah, I can't find deals in my area, is how many phone calls have you made? And inevitably, they haven't made enough phone calls. I've only met one person who was making over 100 phone calls who still couldn't find deals, and all we did was tweak the script that they were using, because they were just going straight in, going, hi, I want a deal. And the estate agent's like, whoa, step back. Can we go on a date first? So the number one reason why you are not finding deals is you're literally not making enough phone calls. Let's go into that a little bit more. It's 100 phone calls, 25 viewings, 21 offers will give you between 1 and 2 deals. So the phone calls, that means that if you make 100 phone calls, let's look at the ratios. You're going to get between 1 and 2 deals. So you are going to get between 99 and 98 estate agents saying, honey, you're mad, you can't find deals. What are you talking about? The market's hot, or whatever they're going to say to you. So between 99 and 98 times out of 100, you have to go, yeah. And you just think, hang on, I'm buying wholesale, you're selling retail, but we're fishing in the same pond. So don't hear what they say, ask them about their knowledge, but don't accept what they're saying is truth for your truth. It's true for their truth. They're selling retail properties at top value. You are looking for the 1 or 2% of deals that are sold wholesale. Hence, 100 phone calls will give you 1 or 2 deals. So 99 times you're going to hear no, 1 time you're going to hear yes. So don't let it put you off. The second thing I want to go into with you is, do you notice I say 25 viewings and 21 offers? So a big mistake that people make is they do lots of viewings, and then because they haven't been discerning on the phone to the estate agent, they then just don't put the offers in. So they've totally wasted the estate agent's time. They look a bit amateurish because they're not putting offers in. Well, why bother? And they've totally wasted their own time. And you don't want to be one of those people, do you? So I want and need and require, you want and need and require for you to be successful, that you do an offer on 85% of viewings that you view. So if you kind of just hold on to those 2 things, I need to make roughly 100 phone calls and 25 viewings, step 1, and I need to offer on 85% of properties that I view, step 2. So I have to be more careful on the phone and not just accept to go and see any old property. You're pretty much going to win. It's kind of simple, isn't it? So what you need to do, obviously, is to track your phone calls, your viewings. You can't just kind of randomly pick up the phone, because you just won't. Well, you can, and I wish you luck with that, but you won't know where you're at. You won't know your maths, you won't know your numbers, you won't be running a business, you'll be kind of having a hobby, making friends with estate agents. And what's the point in that? You're here to get deals, you're here to build your property portfolio, you're here to run your property business, you're here to succeed. So let's have you succeed. So that question, how do I find the deals, is then followed up by, well, is that 100 phone calls a month, 100 phone calls a week, 100 phone calls a year? That's not something I can answer. I can give you the logistics of this business. I can break it down for you really simply. And by the way, go and have a look at our website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. I've got tons of really good education on there for you, and good masterclasses as well, good webinars. But you're the one that knows how many deals you want in a year. So basically, if you're saying I want 2 deals in a year, make roughly 200 phone calls. You might need to make a few more in the early days because you're inexperienced and you're getting used to it, but on average you're going to do 200 phone calls. If you want to do 50 deals in a year, you're going to have to do 5,000 phone calls. 50? Yep, that's right. Check the maths, Susannah. So you set your plan and then you go, for every house I want, I times the number of phone calls by 100, I times the number of viewings by 25, I times the number of offers by 21, and then I will get my goal. Do you see how beautifully simple property can be? And then you end up living part of your life in Barcelona, beside the sea, making YouTube videos for you guys to help you guys out. It's pretty good. So subscribe, like, share, do all that good stuff, and particularly send this to somebody that you feel might be struggling, that might really need this video. See you soon and good luck. If what we've put out for you guys really works for you, then fabulous. Support our channel, click the like button, and thank you so much.